Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanathacademy. In this video students, we are going to see the problem based on ionic equilibria. That is, we are going to see the hydrolysis of salts and the problem based on solubility product. Now students, first students question, we are going to calculate the pH of buffer solution. See students, here buffer solution is given containing acid. This is acetic acid. Concentration is given 0.1 molar acetic acid, CH3COOH acetic acid, and 0.05 molar sodium acetate. Okay students, this is the salt of acetic acid we call as sodium acetate. Both the concentration is given. The concentration of sodium acetate salt is 0.05 molar and acetic acid concentration is given 0.1 molar. Okay students, we know the concentration of salt and its corresponding acid, that is acetic acid concentration also we know, that is 0.1 molar. Now students, we have to dissociation constant of acetic acid. Dissociation constant, student, because it is acid we can say Ka. Ka is also given, okay, which is given 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay students, so with the help of these students we have to calculate the pH. What will be the pH of this buffer solution? If the concentration of salt and its corresponding acid is given, how you will calculate the pH students? That we are going to see in this problem. Okay students, because it is a buffer solution, you know first what is given, that you have to write it down. So students, here the concentration of acid, concentration we have to show with this symbol. Concentration of acetic acid, CH3COOH acetic acid is given students 0.1 molar, and the concentration of its corresponding salt, that is sodium acetate. Okay students, this is the salt, is concentration is given 0.05 molar. Okay students, now what else is given students? K, small Ka, that is dissociation constant of acid, that is Ka is also given. It is given 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay students, we have to calculate students what will be the pH with the help of this data. But students, you should know the formula. When the buffer solution is at the time pH, how will you find it students? Since this formula you should know students, pH is always equals to pKa plus log of base 10. You have to take the ratio of the concentration students. The salt concentration you have to always write in numerator. This is the salt of its corresponding acid, you have to write in denominator. Okay students, this ratio you have to take. Understanding students? So you are going to take the ratio of the salt will be in numerator and the corresponding acid in denominator. You have to take the log. Understanding? You have to add this pK value and you will get the pH. Understanding students? Here students, you know the concentration of acid and you know the K value, but pK value don't know. So if K is given, then how you will calculate the pK value students? Since students pK, now students you have to take the negative log of base 10. K value is given students 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay students, when this minus log will go inside students, what happens students? Suppose only log 10 will go inside. Okay students, so what happens students? This is the log of base 10 of 1.8. Here it is multiplication students, because it is minus, so you have to plus into minus will be minus 5 log of base 10 of 10. Understanding students? Now students, this is the log of 1.8. When you see before that students, you have to write down the characteristics, because before decimal there is only one digit. For that students, the characteristics will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now when you go in log table students, 18 in 0 column, the value is coming 2553. Understanding students? This is minus 5. Okay students, now this minus will go inside students. What happens? This will becomes plus. So minus 0.2553 minus into minus, that will be plus. Okay students, this you can also write 5 minus 0.2553. Okay students, when you subtract 5.5 minus 0.25, it will come 4.7447. This is the value of pK. Understanding students? Once you know the pK value students, you just substitute in equation number 1. Okay students, in equation number 1 students, you know pH is always equals to pK plus log of base 10 of ratio of concentration of salt. Salt will be in numerator students, please pay attention. Most of the students are making mistakes, so you just mind salt ratio. Concentration of the salt will be always in numerator and its corresponding acid will be in denominator. Okay students, now just put the value pK value. Take the log students, 4.7442 plus, what happens students when you divide by 1, it will comes to log of base 10. Okay students, if you divide one more decimal will come this side students, 0.005. Okay students, when you take the log students 4.7442, it will come, understanding that our we will take the log students, 5 into 10 is to minus 2, this equal minus. Okay students, when you take the log of this quantity, it will come 1.6990. Understanding students, this way you have got, so this is negative and this is what, plus. So how much it will come students, 4.744, this is students 7. Okay, this is nothing but 7 we have calculated students, plus minus 1, 0.6990. Okay students, this is minus 1. Okay students, so you will get 4.7447 minus 0.3010. Okay students, when you subtract students, it will come 4437. Okay, so this will be the value of pH. So this way students, you have to calculate the pH of the buffer solution. This in examination students, they are asking for 3 marks question. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.